Good morning students. Hope you all are staying safe at home. Today we will start second chapter of social science, that is natural resources. Look around you. Everything including water, land, sunlight, forests, minerals, animals, human beings, everything are natural resources. Let us learn about natural resources. They are the resources that are derived from the environment, which we get from nature. Here, natural resources are of two types, renewable and non-renewable resources. Let us read about renewable resources. They are the resources, those that are inexhaustible, which can be used again and again. For example, water, sun and wind. Non-renewable resources are the resources which are exhaustible and they cannot be replaced. For example, iron and uranium. Fossil fuels like petroleum and coal, they are also non-renewable resources. Now let us learn about use of natural resources. As our natural resources, they should be used ecologically, as we have to use our natural resources in a way that they should not run out or they should not decrease in stock, so that our future generations also see the resources which we are using today. We should take a shift from non-renewable resources to renewable resources. As for an example, if we take coal, oil and natural gas to provide electricity or to use them to provide electricity, we can shift our use from non-renewable resources to renewable ones, like solar, wind, tidal and thermal energy, which are free, renewable and they are sustainably available in our environment. Hydropower, it is a naturally available renewable source of energy. As water, it can be used to generate electricity while using turbines, and it is a superior source of power because it is very low maintenance and it has the ability to start and stop quickly. This is a shift from using non-renewable resources and moving towards renewable resources, as hydropower is also available abundantly in our country. The next is petroleum. As it is taken out of the earth in a crude form, in raw form, it is refined and turned into petrol, diesel, kerosene and other products. So these products are then used in homes and industries, where as an alternative we can use solar energy, which is very widely used as a renewable energy, which is used to cook food or for pumping water or for heating water or telling the time with a sundial. It is an alternative source of energy in India, with a step where we can shift our usage from non-renewable to renewable resources. So with the increasing demand of energy by the growing population, India has realized the need to divert to more and more renewable sources of energy, by which we can save or we can conserve our non-renewable sources of energy. As there is abundance of renewable resources in India, there is ample opportunities to reach to heights in the field of energy conservation. As natural resources, they should be conserved because in the future we will need them for many of the purposes. We need to stop cutting down trees because trees absorb carbon dioxide, which contributes to the greenhouse effect. We use natural gas in large quantities. We are using renewable energy like solar power, wind power, which will reduce the usage of natural gas. We should stop cutting the trees. We should stop converting the land into industrial region, or we should stop cutting the forests to turn them into settlements. As oils and natural fuels, they are also a big concern in our world today. The fumes which are emitted from burning these fuels, which harms the environment the most, these are some things which should be done, to conserve our natural resources. As the more we use natural resources, the less will be left for our future generations, because once these resources they run out, it will not return back, and therefore we need to think of ways to limit the use and to conserve our natural resources. So students, here's an interesting activity for you all: to make your own windmill. You can make your windmill using a paper which would tell you that how we can use our renewable sources of energy. Try making your own windmill by using a scrap paper. You can use to some things to decorate it. Use your creativity levels. Enjoy your activity. Till then, keep learning and have a good day ahead.